To be the true version of myself, I had to live a life that was not what society had pre-planned for me.
John Crestani here, and I'm going to be going over how to get anything you want in life. I'm going to go over the 3 steps that I've taken to getting anything I want in life. It's a great thing. Now, the first is getting specific about what you actually want, having a goal. The second is reverse engineering your plan to get there. And the third is creating individual action steps to get there. Now, I'll be going over each of these 3 points in great detail and also relating to personal stories of mine that are non-intuitive that helped me reach the level of success in my life that I'm currently at. So let's get it. The first step to getting anything you want in life is actually just knowing what you want. It's like hopping in a taxi. You need to have a destination or else you can't go anywhere. And most people haven't written out their goals. Now, what I encourage you to do is actually get a notepad, take out a pen. Don't do this on a computer. Seriously, it's better for retaining information if you actually physically use a pen and a notepad. And write down your goals. Write them down specifically. Try using all senses. I have other videos about talking about goals, but you want to use every single sense and incorporate it into what your goal looks like, feels like, smells like, tastes like, sounds like. It's not just numbers. Get into your feelings. Now, what's even worse than not knowing what you want in life is being extremely vague about your actual goals. Folks say they want to get in shape or make a lot of money. And if you set goals like that, then you really have nothing to work with, right? You'll never know if you're there. Now, if you get specific about your goals, you can set a place to get them. Now, if you get specific about your goals, now you have something, you have a barometer, benchmark to figure out when you are there. Every goal simply has a series of action steps which you need to take to get it. And if you know what the goal is, you can take the action steps to get there. And if you know what the action steps to get there, you can take them one by one to get there. Now, the next step is reverse engineering your plan to get there. Now, many people overcomplicate goals and they think there's some like magic formula to hitting them. You know, a lot of people think there's some magic formula to, running an online business that I'm not telling you about. Let me know if you believe there's a magic formula. Type in "it's magic" right down below if you think getting rich and getting successful is magic. Many people think this, but the truth is that it's just a simple combination of 2 important things. There are things you are doing which you need to stop doing to hit your goal, and there are things that you are not doing which you need to start doing if you need to hit your goals. Just be logical about it and make a list of what these things are. For example, let's say you want to be successful in business. You may need to stop wasting money on the weekend partying, going out, drinking. You may need to stop wasting time on social media, chatting with random people on Facebook, scrolling, Instagram, TikTok, just scrolling, not helping yourself at all. And you may need to start investing the money that you make into paid advertising or into skills or into courses. Measure your progress on these things and you'll start to get results. But know that you have to stay in these lanes consistently to make it work.
Don't miss out on JC free webinar. You will learn how you can tap into a business right now. Start generating $1,000 per day and 6 figures online in the next 30 days. Just sign up with the link in the description.
Now, the third step is to break it all down into individual action steps. Every goal has a certain number of steps that you need to get there. In the beginning, you want to map out what they all are. So if you're looking to lose weight, it's going to be some combination of exercise and diet. If you're looking to make money, you'll need to make a certain income. That's my daughter, by the way. She's cute. Lily, say hi to the people. Daddy's finishing up work for the day. Our other baby is in bed. Do you know what Daddy does for work? Yeah.
He makes money.
That's funny. Yeah, that's right. That's what Daddy does. On the computers, right? That's what she knows about what I do for work. I make money on the computers. Now, what I do and what you can do is focus on the individual action steps that you're going to take today to hit your goal. If you can't take proper action for a day, then you won't be able to make it for a week or a month, etc. before the day, I actually write down, the day prior, I write down all of the things that I'm going to do that day in my notebook. Literally draw out a roadmap and measure your progress towards your goals. Most people don't measure anything about what they're doing, so they never know exactly where they are. Now, if you get stuck on a step, don't give up. Find a mentor and ask for help. I rely on mentors an insane amount, and they tell me exactly what I need to do. Any goal can be achieved by simply taking the correct steps. That's it. Go get it. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoy my videos and want to learn more about success or marketing, etc., then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, leave a comment if you love Lily and if you'd like to see more of Lily. And join my Discord if you'd like to learn from other people and have a forum to ask other people questions. Again, most of my free time is spent... What? Oh yeah, her name is Miriam. And what are we gonna watch tomorrow?
Aristocats?
Oh, we're gonna watch Aristocats tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, we're watching a new movie tomorrow, Aristocats. If you'd like to talk to me like more casually, right? Again, I'm not gonna spend much time replying to comments or stuff here, but you can follow me on Twitch. I do like to play video games when my daughters and my wife goes to sleep earlier than I do. So sometimes I'll just be playing video games. I like to play a lot of RPGs and card games and whatnot. So follow me on Twitch and we can chat about stuff there while I'm playing. Bye-bye. Say bye to the people.
Bye.
Bye, people. See ya.
Surrounding myself with people that motivated me kept me going because I saw what they were achieving and real people getting real results for themselves that I wanted out of my life.